Hi everyone again. Now it's time to play. I'm going to tell you how we are going to play. And now remember that our story is going to be in past. Our story is going to be in past, not in present. Present is very easy. So we're going to remember how we create a story in past. Remember, if we want to talk in past, what are we going to do? We have to say the verb, el verbo, adding ed. Le añadimos ed. Let's try. For example, if I want to say invite, invitar, invite, I'm going to add ed, invited. If I want to say visit, I'm going to say visited with ed. Okay? But we have some special verbs that we have to memorize. And for example, if I want to say go, the past of go is went. Okay? Los verbos que son especiales los tendremos que memorizar. The rest with ed. Okay? But today we're going to do it only with the verbs that are with ed. Are you ready? Yes? So now, let's start. Listen, here we have story cubes. Each story cube is a different aspect of our story. We are going to create our story. The first, the protagonist. The second one, localization. The antagonist. The antagonist is the bad guy, el malo o la mala de la historia. Okay, the bad guy. Next, we have the pet, the protagonist's pet. Okay, and next we have the personal object of the protagonist to escape, para escapar. And finally, we have the action that they do at the end of the story. So, how are we going to play? It's very, very, very simple. Listen. We have to click here, and when we click, the protagonist is going to change. Click again. When you click again, my protagonist is a tortoise. Next, with localization, we have to click. And when it starts moving, we have to click again. And we have that the localization is going to be in the city. We have to do it with all of them, okay? With the antagonist, the pet, come on, pet. Okay, and we do it with the personal object and the action. So now I'm going to tell you the story, and pay attention because you have to create your story later on. Okay, so I'm going to start my story. Yesterday, a tortoise visited the city. Suddenly, a witch appeared. Apareció. But the tortoise had a lion as a pet. The lion helped the tortoise. Helped. No help. Help is present. They used a magic wand to escape from the witch. Finally, the tortoise the tortoise, gave a present to the lion. Gave a present to the lion. Gave is special, so we don't say with ed because it's special, but don't worry. Okay, so did you like the story? Yes, so now it's time for you. So now you can try and let's see your results. Thank you.